Do you find yourself arguing with strangers on the internet all the time? Have you recently eradicated an old friend or family member from your life because they keep posting wrong ideas? Ask your doctor if Steelmanning the Other Side is right for you. Steelmanning the Other Side is the latest breakthrough in cognitive technology to help those suffering from algorithmically amplified rage and hatred. We took the tried and tested method of Steelmanning, where you use the strongest arguments you can think of to fight for your own point of view, and then applied that same methodology to the other side's point of view as well, to the people who we disagree with.
Since I started Steelmanning the Other Side, I became so much better at understanding why some people think differently to me. I don't always end up agreeing with their conclusions, but at least now I can empathize with why they're acting this way.
Hey, Aunt Sally, yeah. I know it's been a while, yes. Well, anyway, I just wanted to say I've been thinking about it and I realise you might not be Satan incarnate after all. Yeah.
Our natural tendency to fall into ideological tribalism is currently being exploited for profit by vast media corporations. And that is why we're seeing this epidemic of R that we're seeing today. So talk to your doctor about how Steelmanning the Other Side could help you. Because life doesn't have to be this way.
SteelManning the Other Side is safe to be used by anyone regardless of age, gender, or political comorbidities. Side effects include, but are not limited to, reduced blood pressure, clearer thinking, a more diverse friend group, a longer attention span, happier family gatherings, more time for physical activity, greater empathy, increased focus, a deeper understanding of the world, and better informed decisions.